For today's video, I want to show you my outfit for today, guys. Ayan, yung ating outfit. Ayan, because, ayan, pupunta kami ng beach. Ayan, guys, and, ayan, I want you to, ayan, to see my, my fashion, guys. Ayan, ito yung ating bag na gagamitin. Ayan po, pack na pack yung ating outfit. Ayan, oh. I'm ready to go na. Ayan, guys, so, very simple lang yung ating attire. Ayan, oh. Pang beach natin, guys. O, diba? Pack na pack yan. Ayan, guys. Sa murang halaga lang. O, diba? I really love it. Ayan. One of my favorite color, guys. Ayan, yung ating blue color. And then, yung aking bag, guys, na pang fashion natin. Ayan, o. Diba? Pack na pack yung ating likod, guys, o. Ayan. I'm ready to go na. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Ito lang, guys. Happy na ako. Ayan, happy na ako, guys, sa aking fashion. Ayan, sa aking fashion, guys. So, I'm ready to go na. Ayan. Ayan, guys, yung aking pangmalakasang bag. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan.